Greetings and salutations, comrades. Welcome back to RE9. So, Chunk exists. Now, listen, just listen, okay? When it comes to these long format horror games, I do try to keep it super chill for several reasons. One, I'm gonna be real. It's really hard to just be cracking jokes every 5 seconds for hours on end. I'm not a stand-up comedian. I barely make myself laugh. But when I do, I make me laugh good. No, instead, I am aiming for chill vibes. Yes, I'm gonna freak out, especially when someone like Chunk comes barreling down the hallway. Shit, oh my god. But for the most part, I am just gonna try to keep it chill. Keep the vibes chill, stay relaxed. I don't like that he bled out and then got back up. I need scraps. Last episode, we got the level 1 clearance. I need in here. Which means I gotta get past that surgeon. This is locked. Yep. And I only have 5 bullets. Okay. We're gonna detour. We're gonna come back to the blood lab because I want to see if I can get into these areas. Can I sneak past you? I don't think I can sneak past you. That's the wrong button. That's the button I meant to hit. I cannot sneak past you because I gotta go that way. So I'm gonna just, I'll be back. We're gonna go to the west wing. But we've got the chef out here. He's right over there. He's really close too. And getting closer, yep. Yes, he is. I'm just gonna wait here. I'll back up a little bit further, just in case, you know? Yep. Don't turn around. Okay, we're good. Now, yep. Oh, God. Well, you are in my way. Please bleed out. Please don't get up. Oh, shit. Shit, I should have done this faster. Wait. Yes, please. Thank you. What's down this way? What's in here? Okay, good. Whoo! A wrench. It stinks of oil. Great, why do I have a wrench? I got a lockpick, yes! Okay, so I don't get a simple key, I get a lockpick. Shame it can be used only once though, that's a bit of a bummer. Let's check our inventory here. I'm gonna drop this off. I'm gonna drop this off. I'm gonna keep that. Because I have a feeling that there is some scrap hiding behind at least one of those simple locks. And I need me some scrap because I need to get me a hemolytic injector. I want to start stockpiling hemolytic injectors. Scrap, look at that! Hemolytic injector. I so need ammo though. Oh, all right, well, you know what? I just saved. but I have to have a hemolytic injector so I can get past that surgeon, and so that he will leave me alone. Due to aging infrastructure, construction on the garage will be carried out during the following dates, October 21st through 28th. Hey, that goes through my birthday. Do not enter work area unless authorized. Okay, well, this must be the garage. Yes, it is. Is this where I need the wrench? There's motorcycles under there. I want a motorcycle. I miss my motorcycles. I've owned 4 different motorcycles, and I miss them all. I had one crotch rocket, a 1999 Honda VTR 1000F Super Hawk, which I had no business owning, but I can tell you for a fact it would do 150 easily. At least with my small frame on it. Organ transport box, a cooled box for transporting organs, heavy with ready-to-go samples. I think I know where this goes. Okay. So, no, God! I did it again. I did it again. I need to go remap that button. I am remapping that button because I'm just gonna continue to use those. Okay. That's a little weird, but hopefully it will help with my non-standard keyboard layout. I'm so stupid. Awesome. I got ammo at least. Oh. Yeah!
What the fuck?
Where am I supposed to go? I don't know where I'm supposed to go. Oh God. I'm gonna die. 'Cause stop the bulldozer before you become a pancake. Well, good news, I didn't become a pancake, I became a shish kebab. Some zombies are fixated with the habits they had when they were human. Observing their movements can make it easier to avoid them. I like that. That is incredible attention to detail. An enemy's heads and legs will bleed more than other parts after destroying them, so aim for those areas to collect more blood after taking them out. So, did I just not shoot enough? Was that my problem? Okay, I'm gonna shoot. I'm gonna shoot. Ah! Oh God. Oh God. Oh, okay, please stop. Please stop. Please stop. Please stop.
Give me a fucking break.
First try, bitch. I'm glad it only took 3 shots. I'm so glad it only took 3 shots. It would have really sucked if that had to take more.
Oh, fuck.
Alright. Please ammo, please ammo, please ammo. Yes, thank you. Thank you. Oh. Oh, precious ammo. Oh. That's a big bulldozer. What were they doing with a bulldozer that big in this area? Alright, so coming to the West Wing before trying to get around that doctor worked out so much better than I had hoped for. Let's come in here and save. Now, I'm gonna keep that. I need to keep that. I'm gonna keep that. Yeah, I think I'm gonna keep everything here. I need to collect more of that, and I need that. So yeah, I'm gonna hang on to everything that I have. Do not use... Oh, I need to go upstairs. Okay, we're gonna go upstairs real quick. Oh, what's this? Please ammo? Please ammo? Ammo! It's only 3, but I'll take it. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Okay, well, let's go check out upstairs. We're over here, right? Right? May as well. Now... Okay, it looks like we've got some more ammo here. No smoking. This is a quiet zone, so they might not be too happy with me. Oh boy. Oh god. Ah, shoot. Ah, come on. Oh god. Oh boy. Oh boy. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay, well, this is fine. This is fine. Cold storage is to the right. We're gonna go through the dining room. That's right, I can't, because the thing broke. Oh shit! Filing room. Filing room, filing room, filing room. Let's go in here. Door's warped and won't open. I got another hip pouch! Yes! This was the way to go. Oh, this is so good. Oh, this is so good. I'm so happy with this. Oh god. I'm just gonna wait. We're gonna chill here for a minute. We're gonna chill here for a minute. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Why am I saying that? I'm just gonna cut this out. Just cut this out. I gotta go find some wall warts.
Ah! It's not sticking, it's sticking to my legs. Ow!
Okay, so I need to get out here. Shoot! Oh, not going that way. That works. Yes! Thank you. I need to go this way. Oh, don't come around the corner. Don't come around the corner. Awesome. I'm a safety safe. I'm gonna be a wimp. I'm a safety safe. We're right here. It would be foolish not to. All right, now we need to go back to the east wing to the exam room. And I'm gonna pop the gourd on our surgeon friend. Okay, good, he is still here. Yup. Look at him just chilling there, waiting to operate. It's so gross. All right. Let's, oh, wait, I gotta open this, huh? Open. Wait, what? Oh, man. Okay, I need to get more stuff, for sure. But since we're over here, let's pick up some items. There was this simple lock here, which I should be able to use this on. Like mother, like daughter. Unlock a drawer with a lockpick. Ooh. Okay. Combine with infected blood to create a 12.7 55 mil ammo. Cool. I'm gonna go drop this off. I have so much ammo right now. Okay, I still can't get in here. But I want in that room. I want in that room. I need in that room. I'm gonna go in that room right now. That's gonna happen. I'm gonna do that right now. And there's nothing anyone can do to stop me. Oh God. What the fuck is this? Oh, reload. Hi, I hear you, Chunk. Oh my God, please go down. Oh my God, you will not go down. Oh my God. Okay. Yep. I don't need the waiting room right now. We can deal with that later. That was a lot of wasted ammo, and honestly, I kind of want to reload now. That was terrible. That was a terrible waste. We learned a lesson. All right. After a lot of mindless wandering around and making zero progress for a long time, I finally dug around and found I have to get to this blood lab. Let's see what happens. You're gonna get me, aren't ya? Yup. Oh, that didn't get me. Well, you know what? I still think I should die. Oh boy. How is it my fault? It's not my fault. I didn't do anything. Let's see what happens. You are struggling, my guy. You should go sit down. Just take it easy, relax. You've earned a break. Also, you needed to go right. Because I have to go, I can't get into the blood lab that way. I have to... Well, I'm sorry. I don't know what my fault is. I don't know what... I don't know what I'm being blamed for. Do I? I mean, probably, but not like this. I'm really glad he hasn't noticed me yet. Did you just squoosh a zombie for me? You did squoosh a zombie, thank you. That was so nice of you. Okay, if he doesn't go past, I'll go to the waiting room and... Ah, shit. Okay, well... We're gonna be here a minute. Can you just move, please? Alright, well, let's get to the waiting room at least. Straight on. That's the level 2. We gotta go this way, and then it is here to our right. Cool. That's nice. I'll collect this since I'm here, why not? I see just the one. Well, let's go ahead and put you down. And push. Oh God. Thank you. And a transfusion bag? Why do I want a transfusion bag? Transfusion bag full of infected blood. Lose it to refill the blood collector. Any leftover blood will be discarded. Okay, I don't really need that right now, but sure. Here we go. We will be updating the following safes in this facility. East wing, first floor, waiting room. West wing, second floor, bar and lounge. East wing, first floor, blurred and illegible. The remaining safe will be replaced at a later date. Okay. 1, 2, well, we are on first floor, east wing. And this is referring to, so that's this one here. Okay. What do I do with that knowledge? Yes, scrappy. I am gonna go ahead and make another one of those things. Combine to make a hemolytic injector. 'Cause God, that's so useful. As Grace, I feel like this is borderline OP. What's... Uh-oh. No! Wait, what? No! I didn't want to do that! I wanted to draw the blood! Shit! Well, at least I got the door unlocked. I don't have to worry about him. But I did not want to get rid of... I'm doing so good right now. Just let me in here. Cool. I got the blood specimen converged. A sample of mutated blood. Analyzing it with a laser microscope allows you to craft med injectors. Awesome. And 12.7 by 55 millimeter ammo. That's a big bullet. That's a big bullet. Is that for the Requiem? Ooh. Oh, damn it. I need that. How much do I need for a hemolytic? Oh, shit. Okay, well, we'll come back here. I'm gonna get that. I need that ammo. I'm guessing it's just a single bullet, but I need that in my life. Let's go visit an item box real quick. I'm gonna hang on to that so that I can craft more ammo. And I want to make sure I have easy access to that bullet. So I'm probably wasting time, but I'm gonna go grab that bullet and put it there. That sounded like someone opened a door. Chunk is close. Chunk is very close. Chunk is very close. God, he makes some noises though, doesn't he? Oh my god. I have to get to the blood lab. I think the best route for me to get there is gonna be through the waiting room. Because then I only have Chunk to deal with. I think I only have Chunk to deal with if I go this route. And he's easy enough to avoid. Okay, so I don't want to go that way yet. This is the way I want to go. Now, Chunky boy! Chunk! You are getting a little close for my liking. Okay. Yep. You coming? Are you coming? Or are you staying? Because if you're staying, that's fine, just go the other way. Nope, you're coming this way. Can he enter this room? Can he come in here? Hi. I'm trying to, my friend. Hi. Hi. I'll cut you. I'm gonna cut you. Cut. 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 Go that way. No, not this way. Not this way. Go the other way. Go the other way. God. I think the most incredible part of all of this, assuming that he's some type of a mutation, is that they managed to create shorts that would grow with him. Okay, go that way. Go that way. Go that- no, not that way. Yes, that way. No, not that- There's gonna be a lot of cutting in this episode. Please go left. Please go left. Please go left. Yes. 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 That's what I want. Yes. We made it. 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 Excellent. Awesome. Finally, that only took 30 minutes. Okay, so if I hit you, that's fine. Then I'm gonna hit you, and then I'm gonna hit you, you. Nope, I screwed that up. I screwed that up. I screwed that up a little bit. Okay. Now, I want to hit you, and then you. Done. So easy. I can now craft medical injector and ammo for the Requiem. I'm gonna keep calling it Requiem ammo until I'm proven wrong. It could be for a gun I don't have yet, but I'm pretty sure it's for the Requiem. Good. I've got scrap. What's in here? Yes. Are you in the blood lab? Oh no, you're over there. Okay, and I got an empty injector. Crafting material, use it to make steroids or stabilizers. Good. November 30th, 2004. Oh! This was around the same time as RE4, if I'm remembering my timeline correctly. My master's research has come to fruition, and that child. She must be the final piece of the puzzle. I need to get my hands on the child's data. I'm sure this will bring me closer to his vision. December 8th, so a little over a week later. The organization was able to get me the child's medical records. It was lacking in certain areas, but did have her genetic information. I can use this. Wait, when did RE7 take place? I'm gonna search that up real fast. Okay, I'm not sure I believe this. This is what the AI answer says. You ready for this? RE7 Biohazard takes place around the year 2021. Approximately 4 years after the events of Resident Evil 6, which occurred around 2012. Now, I'm no mathologist, but 2012 plus 4 is not 2021. I'm pretty certain. RE7 takes place around 2015 to 2016. So between 3 and 4 years after RE6. Okay. I had to put that to rest. Blood specimen, reversible. Yes! Look at us getting more recipes and shit. Oh, wait, I can use this. Yes! And now I can use the scrap to make one of these. Yes! And now I'm gonna use this bag. Yes! Oh, this is a good room. This was worth the effort to get in here. This is why you just have to be patient sometimes. And deal with the chunks in your life. In whatever form that chunk takes form. Whatever form your chunks take. Okay. Reversible. Let's see here. Nope, I hit the wrong button. I'm so used to CAD software where you drag with the right mouse button to rotate the object, so that's what my brain is trying to tell me to do. And that's not what I'm supposed to do. Alright. Now I'm gonna hit you. And then I'm gonna hit you. Wait, no. You. I'm doing this backwards. Well, there goes my record. I was looking so smart up until this puzzle. Just kidding. I like those puzzles. 'Cause they're simple to understand. Oh, okay. I can now craft... Oh, I need more blood than I can carry, which means I need to upgrade. That's where those antique coins come into play, which I have enough, so I may have to make a trip back to go get that. Okay. Real quick analysis. As a former rifle coach, rifle and pistol coach, that over-under with the thumb, that's pretty legit, actually. I will give credit where credit's due, and that deserves a little bit of credit. Now, I need to go upstairs, Chunk. You are right there, and I think you're coming towards me. Yep. Yes, you are. I'm gonna just sneak on by you with your big old booty cheeks. Let's not. Something tells me the hemolytic injector is not gonna kill him, and I don't want to waste it. I'm gonna try not to waste that. But what I do want to check out is where he came from, since we're over here. Because we were up here when he chased us downstairs. Give me the blood. I'll take that. Thank you very much. What's that? No, no, no! I did it again. Well... Fuck. I didn't mean to do that. I did not mean to do that. Well, I'll take this blood. Since we're maxed out on that now, next bit of scrap I get. Do I have more scrap? I do have more scrap. Let's make one more. Why not? If only to free up the inventory space that much sooner. Because we know I'm just gonna waste the injector. Good, more scrap. As announced in the letter regarding safe replacements, all contents of this safe must be removed by 11:30 p.m. The code is 30 right, 10 left, 50 right. 30, 10, 50, got it. Any uncollected contents will be disposed of by management. Or kept. What is in here, other than the singer, other than the beautiful singing voice? Okay, you are over there behind that. I'll take that, thank you very much. Oh, I need more blood. I need more blood. Hang on. So I need in here. That was a joyous squeal. Can you do it again? Use 300 micro samples of infected blood. I don't want to vault over that yet. Okay, you... Okay. Can I get back and grab the Requiem. Alright. This is not where I want to go. Also, I forgot that there was a typewriter in here, but there's no item box, so it doesn't really matter. Wait. I haven't been in here. I haven't been in here. What's in here? That looks... A puzzle box is in the background. I see a moon and the sun. Okay. Oh, I need... Here we go. So the moon... That one is moon... Oh, this one we already solved for. This one is the sun. So the last two... This is a different symbol than that, so it's star... Something, star, moon, sun. Something, star, moon, sun. Sun... I'm sorry. Star, sun, moon. Star, sun, moon. Sun. Star, sun, moon, 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 sun. Okay. Well, let's go ahead and grab this right here. Since it's... Oh no! I don't have a key for that.
Lock tight.
Destroy the padlock? Can I use a... I can't use a pistol there. And I'm not about to pull the trigger with the Requiem. That I could do that. Now, listen up, everybody. One, two. Oh, God! Get back. Shoot out your leg. Well. Okay. How's my hunting knife? I was hoping to line up all three, but I guess it's not gonna happen.
Jesus.
Yeah. Yeah. If you've never fired a high caliber pistol, that shit hurts. Okay? Like, bad. How many shots do you take? Many. Many shots, apparently. Oh, God! We're gonna heal. Are you down? Are you down? Ooh, thank you. Well, that wasn't so bad. I don't know what I was worried about. Okay. Med injector. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. No, it's not happening. I'm not gonna do it. Handgun ammo. Yes, please. Handgun ammo. Yes, please. What else we got? We got any other goodies? Any other candy in the candy store? I could use some. Anything. This is quite the collection you've got back here. Lots of papers on the floor. Sweet Dell computer. Corrosive. I need this. Can instantly corrode certain metals. Not to be taken. Well. Let's go ahead and discard that. In favor of that. To the research officer. And then I'll wrap this episode after we drop off the quartz. Oh, hi! Was not expecting you! How are you? You okay? How's Leon?
Miss Ashcroft. Come in. I won't harm you.
You say that.
I'm just looking for Dr. Richardson.
I might have killed him.
Why did you kidnap me?
Kidnap you? I liberated you.
Did you?
Who are you?
Oh, forgive me. Dr. Victor Gideon. I run the center. It took forever to find you.
Yeah. Clearly.
You're not like other people, you know. You're quite unique.
Uh-huh.
Through you, Elpis can finally be set free.
Who's Elpis?
Why me?
And who's your dentist?
Because my master made you who you are. Phase 2's about to begin.
What? Phase 2 of what? Who's Elpis? Master. Who's your master? And...
Would you like to see what's hidden under the hood?
No. No, I'm good. I'm good. I want it, I want the quartz!
Grace! Wait! Grace! 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 There's no escaping your destiny.
Destiny, destiny. No escaping death for me. Seriously, bravo on the character design. He's awesome. Just that right level of charismatic and unhinged. This latest trilogy, they have really knocked it out of the park. In terms of storytelling.
What the fuck does he mean, destiny?
And voice acting. Oh, so good. Alright. Star, sun, moon, sun? I think that's what I said. Wow, that is a fast acting. Star, sun, moon, sun. I remembered that. That was with my thinky bits. I remembered all of that. Oh, and a leather-bound notebook. Unlocking the organ transport box. There it is. All right, so we swap it over to hand, flip it to 2. Move 5, then move 4, then flip it to auto. Oh, here we go. Master Spencer's Research by Victor Gideon. Master Spencer. Mutated T-virus. Herein documents a theory that uses the T-virus to control memories and will. This research shall serve as a guiding light for all of humanity. In rare instances, repeated mutations of the T-virus can trigger an abnormal reaction in an infected individual's body, leading to changes in their blood. The mutated strains of the T-virus will likely sweep the world, and total eradication will be impossible. Those infected by the mutated T-virus strain firmly retain their pre-infection habits and characteristics. Blood transformation. Within this lies the key to humanity's evolution. Cool. Let's go drop this quartz off. And then we'll save and wrap this episode. How's that sound? That sound like a good deal? Sounds like a good deal to me. All right. Just don't be here, Chunk. Good. He's not. Ooh. You know, one of the reasons I really want to really wanted to play this game right when it came out, other than for obviously creating this content for you, but wait, why am I here first? I want to go upstairs first. Because I really want to watch speedruns of this, but I can't do that until I've played the game myself. Because I don't want spoils. There are 3 indentations. There's the sun. We've got 1 more quartz, and we're going to get that in the next episode. I think we're actually pretty close to that one already. So let's go ahead, save. Now, friends, thank you so much, as always, for watching, for hanging out with me, for finding out who the hell Gideon is and what he's on about. He's got a few screws loose, and I think we need to tighten those up for him. With bullets. And grenades. And other stuff. Ooh, maybe a chainsaw. Y'all know the drills. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, or if there's anything else you want to see me play. Either with this chill format, or something more energetic. Check the description for other games that I've already played. I love you all, and as always, until next time.